Jellyfins, greetings yet again. This is going to be part 3 of the Build Your Own Jellyfin Server series. So let's get going with it, because who doesn't want to get this going now? So we got our mint, our jelly. Oh, I'll just minimize these things. Look at our cool mint. We have our mint going. It's minty, and so yeah. We just did the whatever this was on the over here, step 2. We installed Docker, so we're going to do some directory stuff. So yeah, join me if you want. Otherwise, if you already know exactly where everything is going and you have it all mounted, you know how to do all that stuff, I'll see you on part 4, I guess, which is going to be creating the Docker Compose file. That's going to be fun. So, otherwise, let's do this. So, I already have all the stuff. You could follow this or not. Basically, I'm just going to go through some of the stuff to get mine going. I'm just going to mount the drive right now. This is just some general info. It kind of may not even pertain to you. It might, but sorry, well, I'm not going to be doing that with you guys as far as the actual mounting. But well, there we go. I'm just going to mount this guy. So here we go. I'm going to, let's see, MD111 is my RAID drive, so I need to find out where to go. I'm going to mount mine in, like this one here was saying, you can mount it at wherever it is you want, right? OPT, I guess, is a good place to do it. But I'm mounting this from outside, technically, of the system. So, and it's a RAID. So, I'm going to put this in one spot, which is going to be in mount. So, that's the location I'm going to. There's nothing mounted there, so let me mount it. Sudo mount. I'm going to mount it. What I didn't make my directory. I didn't make my directory here. What do you call this? Drive jelly. Yeah. Oops. Drive jelly. And then inside drive jelly, I'm going to make another one actually. Make not mounted here. So I like to do that because once I go into that drive, let's see, CD. Let's check out what file's in there. That's the file that's in there. Alright, let's also go into the File Explorer. Right, let's go to File System. We're going to find Mount. Look at that. That's what Jelly Drive. So when we go in here, we should see actual files that we have loaded, not mounted here, because that means nothing's mounted. So everything in here should disappear and then turn into the actual files that are there. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to make it all disappear. So like I saw up here, this is the drive that we're looking at. Oh, and if you needed help with that, I have a whole thing on mounting. So if you wanted to go there and check out how to mount the drive, this gives you some idea on mounting. Yeah, if you wanted to check that out. Otherwise, do that on your own, like I am. Let's see. Mount. And then we're going to mount it here. Yeah. Let's get that. Let's BLK. You see how under the mounted section there's nothing there on those rays, right? Yeah, I just mounted them, so it should show up. Oh yeah, it's working. So I need to back up. Actually, back OneDrive. Alright, now let me go back into it. Or I'll do it here first. Let's go to that file. Remember that mount? That's the file. Jelly Drive. Once I go in here, we had not mounted before. Now we got my movies. Oh man, we have some movies in here now. So if we do it the same way here, we'll go CD right into the drive. Jelly, right? Let's LL, or you can LS also. LS. I like to LL it. LS dash S S. No, LL dash LS dash L does the same thing as LL, pretty much. All right. Yeah, so hey, I have my my things mounted. Alright. So yeah, you probably want an FS tab. Again, if you guys already have done all the stuff and you know what to do, get out of here, go to step 4. Otherwise, I'm going to mount this drive, because right now if I restart the computer, everything that is in this location, mount jelly, drive jelly, it's gonna disappear and it won't be mounted the next time I reboot. So here's just an example. I'm gonna go U mount wait, what is, oh, alright, I'm gonna unmount that. Alright, LSBLK. Maybe I have to sudo it. See, I never know when to sudo. I'm horrible at that. Sudo. Why are you busy? Oh man. Oh, that's not working. Oh well. Anyways, we're gonna go into the FS tab and do it. And I have another thing you can go into and reference how to do what and where to do it. So yeah, I'm just going to inside the FS tab folder, which mounts all the drives. You can reference all that stuff on the top if you want, but I'm just going to go straight into that part in here. I always forget the how to do what and all that jazz. So this is kind of it. This is the format on which we're going to use right there. So I just happen to know with it. It's located FS. Huh? Isn't that right? No. Oh. Vim. We're using the Vim editor. Let's see. There we go. Let's go inside and take a look. And make it big. That's what she said. Alright, so I to edit. And I'm gonna go And that's kind of the format I'm using here. So let me get out of there. Oops. Let me get out of here. So lsblk. And if you remember, this is my actual RAID drive name, and this is where I'm mounting it to. Right? So yeah, so I'm going to go back into there. And so this is my actual RAID. What did I just do? Alright. Oh. Edit first. Div md111 space, and then the actual mount location. And then all this, which is true, you know, your file type needs to be the same, or it needs to be correct. So make sure that that's correct. Your ext4, whatever file type you have, make sure that's right. So, oh geez. So let's see. If you go back to here and you go lsblk, you can H. That's not it. F. Oh yeah. So if you go lsblk-f, right? I can see that my MD111 is ext4 file type. How sweet is that? Oh, and I got almost a couple teros in there. Okay, so terabytes. Okay, so let's FG back into the thing. Here we go. Yeah, so I just confirmed that that's what it is. And these errors are, you know, that's good the way they are. So I'm going to colon W to save, Q to quit. And that's all I need. Okay, so sudo. Well, I think it's already mounted. Sudo umount. Aw, I forgot about this. It wasn't working. Oh man. I don't even know why it's busy. If you go sudo mount -a, some did work. Oh, you know what happened? I left this drive in there. I wasn't supposed to. There we go. My mistake. I copied that stupid line in there before as an example and I didn't delete it. So, okay. So yeah, you put sudo m-a. It will do nothing. And that's kind of what you want. But then you lsblk right into it, and then it shows you the thing. Yeah, so there you go. Sudo. I don't know what's taking the job. I don't care about what's going on here, so I've never actually killed a program, so I just looked up how to kill a program. I'm gonna kill this guy. Alright. Let's be okay. Sudo. Oh, I think it worked. I hope. Yeah, it worked, yeah. So now, LSB, okay. Nothing mounted, yay. Echo me. Okay, so. Like I was trying to say before, yeah, so we got that mounted, and then, we unmounted it using, what is the damn code? Using sudo umount, and then the directory that you have it mounted to. So let's go to that directory real quick. Here, I'll go to directory this way. Just for you folks who don't know. Where is that? Where is it? Where is it? Computed. File system. Mount. Drive jelly, remember? No mounted here. So we're gonna go mount it. Let's go sudo mount A. Right? A. That's gonna flag our FS file that we were working on just a minute ago. And it worked. Oh, am I still in something? Nope, I'm not. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Yeah. I probably have something in the FS tab that I wasn't looking at, and I don't care about it, but you should. There you go. So it's mounted, and anytime I start the computer, that mount is a good way to test without actually restarting. So there you go. Yay! Mounted. So, let's go back to our thing here. Yeah, I guess that's kind of done. That's it for this one. I was just kind of showing you what I was doing to get my stuff. If you want to see it this way, let's see, CD, where am I? PWD will show you where you are. And I'm in root, or home Bob. Bob is my username. Let's see. Let's go to mount. CD mount. I'm in mount. I have, okay. Drive. Let's go in there, and I should see not mounted drives or whatever. It should show the actual. What was it there? Yeah, it should be not mounted here. I haven't left, so if I go backwards one, and I go back into it, there you go. Look at that. My movies again are back. So, and same thing here. I'm in Jelly. I'm in Mount Jelly Drive. I'm gonna go and see what's inside here now. Look at those. Right back where we wanted to be. Alright, yeah, that's you know, some basic mapping out your drives or file folder locations. Yeah, so there you go. That was your part 3 of Build Your Own Server or Jellyfin Server series. So the next chapter is going to be part 4. Create the Docker compose file. So we're actually going to be building the file so we can actually use the Docker that we installed the last part before. So yeah, I hope to see you there so we can actually accomplish that little mission. So I guess until then, remember that there are no answers without a question. Stay curious.